Welcome back to ShahabIT, your one-stop shop for breaking down the latest in tech. And guys, AI is blowing up right now, so in this video, we're diving deep into the AI tools you need to know in 2025. We're talking next-level stuff that can transform your workflow, whether you're a seasoned coder or, you just learned how to copy and paste. We're talking AI that can write you a full website in minutes, craft a movie script from your wildest ideas, or even help you close that next big deal. And the craziest part, you don't need to be a tech wizard to use this stuff. So hit that subscribe button and let's jump right into the future of AI. Alright, first up, let's talk ChatGPT. I know, you've probably heard about it a million times, but trust me, ChatGPT in 2025 is on another level. We're not just talking about writing emails or crafting social media posts anymore, though it can still do that amazingly well. ChatGPT, running on this insane hybrid engine of GPT 4.5 and GPT-5, can now pump out full-blown websites complete with code and everything. Need a landing page with a specific design? Just tell ChatGPT what you want. Colors, fonts, images, the whole 9 yards, and boom, it's handled. But it gets even crazier. Imagine having a personalized AI tutor that adapts to your learning style, or a business co-pilot that analyzes market trends and helps you make killer decisions. That's the power of ChatGPT in 2025. And the best part? They've completely revamped the ChatGPT app. It's sleek, it's intuitive, and it even responds in real time with voice and video. So you can literally talk to ChatGPT like you're talking to me right now. This isn't just a chatbot anymore, guys. It's like having a super intelligent assistant working alongside you 24/7. Next up, let's talk about something that's going to blow your mind: AI-generated art. Remember when we thought AI could only handle text? Yeah, those days are long gone. Midjourney, specifically Midjourney version 7, is leading the charge here. This thing is a beast. You can literally type in a sentence describing what you want to see. Let's say a cyberpunk cityscape, lit by neon signs with flying cars and a giant holographic cat in the background, and Midjourney will create it. And we're not talking about some blurry, pixelated mess. We're talking high-resolution, professional-grade art that you could easily mistake for something created by a human artist. But it's not just about creating cool images for your Instagram feed. Businesses are using Midjourney to design logos, build entire branding campaigns, and even generate concept art for video games and movies. And Midjourney is just the tip of the iceberg. We've also got DALL-E 4 from OpenAI, Ideogram for creating logos and typography, and Leonardo AI, which is like having a team of concept artists at your fingertips. This is huge, guys. AI art tools are democratizing creativity, making it possible for anyone to bring their ideas to life, even if they can't draw a straight line. Okay, so we've talked about AI writing and AI art. Now let's talk about something even more mind-blowing: AI video generation. Imagine this: you have an idea for a movie, a crazy, epic sci-fi adventure, but you're not a filmmaker, you don't have a camera, a crew, or $1 million budget. Well, in 2025, none of that matters. OpenAI has released Sora, a text-to-video engine that's straight out of science fiction. You literally type in a description of what you want to see: characters, settings, dialogue, the whole shebang, and Sora generates a video for you. And we're not talking about some basic animation here, we're talking cinematic quality, with realistic lighting, textures, and camera movements. Then you've got RunwayML, the video editor of the future. RunwayML uses AI to make editing videos as easy as editing text. Want to change the time of day in your video? Just tell RunwayML to make it sunset. Want to add some special effects? RunwayML has got you covered. It's like having a Hollywood-level post-production team at your disposal. The possibilities here are limitless. Imagine creating your own animated short films, producing professional-looking product videos for your business, or even generating music videos without ever picking up a camera. AI video generation is still in its early stages, but it's already clear that it's going to revolutionize the way we create and consume video content. Alright, let's shift gears a bit and talk about something a little more practical: AI-powered productivity tools. Specifically, let's talk about Chrome extensions. These are like little AI assistants that live in your browser and help you get things done faster and more efficiently. First up, we've got Monica AI. Think of Monica as your always-on, super helpful sidebar assistant. Need to quickly summarize a long article? Monica can do that. Want to translate a website into another language? Monica's got you. Next we've got Tactic, the AI note-taker for Zoom and Google Meet. We've all been in those meetings where we're trying to take notes and pay attention at the same time. Tactic takes care of that for you, automatically transcribing the meeting and even identifying key takeaways. Then there's Perplexity AI, your go-to tool for instant research summaries. Just type in your question, and Perplexity will scour the web, find the most relevant information, and present it to you in a clear, concise way. Harpa AI is a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time on the web. Harpa lets you automate tasks on websites like filling out forms, extracting data, or even interacting with web apps. And of course, we can't forget about the ChatGPT sidebar. This handy extension gives you access to the power of ChatGPT from anywhere on the web. Need help writing an email, generating content, or just want to have a quick chat with AI? The ChatGPT sidebar is always there for you. These are just a few of the amazing AI-powered Chrome extensions that are available in 2025. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be amazed at how much more you can get done in a day. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, making money with AI. Because let's be real, that's what everyone wants to know, right? The good news is that AI is creating new income streams every single day. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to capitalize on these opportunities. One popular way people are making money with AI is by selling AI-generated art. Remember Midjourney? People are creating stunning images and selling them as stock photos, prints, or even using them to create unique merchandise. Content creation is another huge opportunity. Imagine using ChatGPT to write scripts for YouTube videos, then using NVIDIA's AI-powered editor to bring those scripts to life. You could create a whole YouTube empire without ever showing your face on camera. If you're feeling entrepreneurial, you could even build niche AI-powered websites. Think of a specific problem that people have, then use AI to create a website that solves that problem. And if you're really good at working with AI, you could offer your services as an AI consultant or prompt engineer. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for people who know how to get the most out of these powerful tools. And hey, if you've got a knack for teaching, you could even create and sell AI-generated books or courses. The possibilities are endless. The key takeaway here is that AI isn't just a cool piece of technology, it's a powerful tool that you can use to create real, tangible value in the world. And where there's value, there's always an opportunity to make money. We're standing at the edge of a technological revolution, guys. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the world as we know it. Whether you're a student trying to stay ahead of the curve, an entrepreneur looking for new opportunities, or a content creator trying to up your game, learning about AI is no longer optional, it's essential. The tools I've shown you in this video are just a glimpse into what's possible with AI in 2025. And the craziest part? This is just the beginning. AI is evolving at an unprecedented rate. What seems impossible today could be commonplace tomorrow. So what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, experiment. The future of AI is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it. So there you have it, guys, a crash course in the most powerful AI tools of 2025. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech breakdowns. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss part 2 of our AI Mastery series, where we'll be diving even deeper into the world of AI and showing you how to build your own AI-powered tools. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And don't forget, this is just part 1 of our AI Mastery in 2025 series. See you in the next one.